students, I am Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in English. Standard 1. Our topic is Tam Falls. Let's read the story. Now children, I will read the story first, then I will explain you what is there in the story. The title of the story is Tam Falls. Sam kicks a ball to Tam. Tam falls in the mud. She picks mud off her neck. She picks mud off her back. Sam says, "Look at your knees. Those knees have mud too." Tam picks mud off her knees too. Now children, the name of the story is Tam Falls. You can see in the picture the girl named Tam, she falls in the mud. Now children, you will think how she had fall in the mud. So children, Sam and Tam both are playing with the ball. So when they were playing the ball, Sam kicks the ball to Tam and Tam falls in the mud. When she falls in the mud, so she got all the mud on her body, as you can see clearly in the picture. Her hands, her legs, her clothes, everywhere there is only mud. So she gets up and she starts cleaning the mud off. She cleans the mud off from her neck. She cleans the mud off from her back. And after that, again, Sam shows to Tam that her legs, especially knees, are also having mud. So, please clean that also. So, Tam cleans that also. So, children, it happens with you also sometimes. When you are playing, you also fall down somewhere. Your clothes get dirty, your hands, your legs. Yes or no? Sometimes, especially during the rainy season, if you are going and playing in the playground. So, same way, when Sam and Tam are playing, the Tam falls down in the mud. So, this is a small story, children, of Sam and Tam. Now, children, as we have seen the lesson, there are certain common words in this lesson. Let's see that. First word is Sam. S-A-M, Sam. Second word is Tam. T-A-M, Tam. T-A-M, Tam. Third word is Picks. P-I-C-K-S, Picks. Fourth one is ball. Fourth one is ball. So children, these are some of the words which are repeatedly coming in the lesson. Children, let's see the new words which are there in this lesson. First word, P-I-C-K-S, picks. Second word, K-I-C-K, kick. Next, K-N-E-E, knee. The next one, N-E-C-K, neck. Fifth one, M-U-D, mud. And the last one, F-A-L-L-S, falls. Now children, let's see the new words with their meanings and sentence. Look at the picture carefully. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see a boy is collecting the waste paper or garbage. Yes or no? You can see in his hand he has one bag. So he is collecting all that garbage and putting in the bag. So the boy is picking up the garbage papers or waste papers. Okay children. Now let's see the first word. The first word is picks and its meaning is to choose somebody or something from group of things. The next is a sentence for picks. Tina always picks pink color bag. What do you think children the next word will be? As by seeing the picture? Yes. The second picture is kick. K-I-C-K, kick. Kick means to hit or move with your foot. Now as you can see the picture clearly, the girl in the picture kicking the ball with her foot. Especially it happens in the football. Yes or no? You all are watching football? Yes. So let's see now sentence. Sentence is Tom kicked my big ball. So children, this is a word and its uses. Let's see the next word. You can see the girl is showing the part of her body. Yes, what it is called? What do you think? Yes, it is a knee. K-N-E-E, knee means part of leg where it gets bent. Now let's see the sentence. While playing, I got hurt on my knee. Now children, let's see the next word. Yes, the next word is neck. I think from the picture only you have understood what is meaning of the neck. Neck means the part of your body that joins your head to shoulder. As you can see clearly in the picture. Sentence is zebra has a long neck. Let's move on next. Here is activity for you. Let's see what is the activity for you. Question. Look at the picture and guess the correct action. Now children, as you can see the picture, you have to guess the correct action. What can you see? What is the action in this picture? Yes, the action in the picture is kicks. As you can see, the girl is kicking the football. So the action is kicks. Next. Next action. Yes, falls. You have seen the Tam falls in the mud. So this action shows falls, means you are falling. Next one. Picks. What is this action is called? Picks. Children, it happens in your home also sometimes or in your class, in the school. If there are waste papers, you pick up in the pick up and put it in the dustbin. Yes or no? So this action is called picks. The next one. Yes. Now children, this is homework time. Let's see what's your homework. Answer the following. First one. Who kicks the ball? Answer is Sam kicks the ball. Second one. Where does Tam fall? Answer is Tam falls in the mud. Let's see next one. Who picks mud from the knees? The answer is Tam picks mud from the knees. So children, this was our lesson. I hope so you all have understood the lesson. You can read the lesson from your textbook. Thank you.